Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Donatello. And here is the guru.
Cowabunga, everyone. Donatello. One of my earliest memories of a toy opening. I was living in a car. I was like 3 or 6, something like that. And I wasn't supposed to have my Donatello toy for my birthday. But, you know, when you live in a car, it's not easy to keep shit like that hidden. So you just reach in the front when you're at the gas station and open it. And that's how I got my very first Donatello. And then since then, I've bought like tons of Donatellos. I mean, I got like hundreds of Ninja Turtles. And I didn't think I'd buy them ever again. I was like, why would I need another one? But then they go and make an awesome looking one like him. He's not just got the stick here. He's got the stick with the blade on it. So he can shank you if he needs to, I guess. I don't exactly understand what this opening on the back of his belt is for. He's got really amazing skin color. I really like it. He's got good like leather straps all over him. This even is like movable, the thing up here. Now in the show or whatever, he's got a gap in his teeth. So thank the good whatever toy making god that made him with his mouth closed. I do not want to see a gap in his teeth. He's really serious looking. He came with these 2 little spinjitzu things or whatever, and this one's connected by chains, like if his stick came apart and was all chains and junk. I don't know when I'm going to use that, unless you're just going to pose him or something. And he's pretty amazing. So I went out and I bought him again when they had the 20-year anniversary one that came with like an episode or 2. And I was like, man, I guess this is the last Donatello I'll get. And then they came out with him like a year or so later, so it's awesome. And it's so awesome that he deserves a costume change. And Miss Sunshine, if you would shoot the corner for a moment. Alright, we're back. Comparison. The old school one, redid 20 years later. Super awesome, super tight. The thing I loved about the both of them was they both came with their weapons attached in those little like flat squares that you take out and twist out, all the weapons. See, you can see where I twisted this one here. Got a little white mark right there. So that's a really cool throwback for me. Look how much lighter he is. I think Dono got a little bit of Irish in him over the years. Look at this. This is the turd that he took. Like, why is he so dark? And why is he so light? But that's another reason I love this one, is because he's super bright and green. Great pale green. And then we got this techno looking one. Pretty hot. I ripped off his cape because I'm a toy player and not a toy stander, but he would have looked cool with cape. And he had a cool sigh or something with him. He's gone through some changes again. The lightest one ever yet. We got some Leos and old school ones here, but let's do this bad boy. really light. And so I think because he's so light, he feels a little out of place. And he's going to have to beat everyone down to show him who's a man. Hey, old me. What's up? I'm taking you to the grocery store. Because your ass is salad. How could you attack us? We're you. Yeah, but why am I so light looking? Shouldn't I be dark still? And what happened to my middle tooth? Did you take it? Oh! Yeah, I've only got one leg, but still, I'll take you, Donnie. Cowabunga. Donatello hungry for knowledge and pizza and anchovy toppings and doobies. Whoa! Man, I tell you what, the sharp end of my stick really comes in handy more than you'd think. I'm the responsible one, and I just sat on this pole. Ow! 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 My eye! My other eye! Oh! Oh! Donatello flying spinner attack with lighter skin color now. I really do like him because of the light skin. Subscribe.
I'm suddenly craving pizza.